Hello everyone. Today we have got a special person amongst us, and we are going to talk to ma'am about this. Just to give you a brief introduction, she is Mrs. Sonali Nadkarni, and she is a very esteemed person for us because she has been a part of the preschooling, the childhood education that we are nicely imparting in the pre-scholars right now. So, ma'am, can you give us a little introduction about yourself?
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mrs. Sonali Nadkarni. I am associated with Cambridge University Press as a resource person. I have authored the books for Cambridge. That is my first step with Cambridge, the entire pre-primary kit. And before that, we had introduced the semester series of Cambridge, named as Coral and Saffron series. So I am also an ECA member. We plan for the entire curriculum on all India basis. Thank you so much.
Like in today's era, especially in this pandemic situation, it's really difficult for a person to even move out of the house and work. In such a scenario, you are traveling to different places to impart training, especially for the course that you have designed for us. So, what motivates you, or how do you push yourself for this?
Aware of new education policies, how it is aligned with our pre-primary kit. Just to have a proper guidelines, okay, where we have conducted a lot of webinars, but physical workshop has a lot of impact than the workshop you conduct on webinars. So here it is really helpful for the teachers how to go about it, how should we implement different things according to this, and what are the new rules coming up by NAPs. They should have a proper guideline, and for that we travel on pan-India basis. Thank you so much.
So this is just a little introduction about how ma'am is not only motivating our teachers, but there are many educators around the country whom she is in small and big ways she is motivating, so that we can instill some difference, even if the children are learning from home, even if we are in the online system of education, there would definitely be a strong influence in it. Ma'am, one more question. It's really very difficult for a woman to handle work and home both together. So even like all the other teachers that we've got here, even you are a part of it. So how do you manage everything? Like,
before pandemic, we were all habituated to have our regular sessions like this. I mean, it was inbuilt in us before, but because of this pandemic has taught us a lot of things, and we have actually we have learned how to adjust ourselves in this. Not only outside, but you need support of your family members also. Unless you have that support with you, you really can't give 100% in the outside world.
Definitely. These are all real life examples, which we can say they are all real life heroes, and of course heroines, because like these small things, we make a huge difference in people who are around us, and especially the children who are associated to us. So it was a pleasure, and it was very nice speaking to ma'am, where she could spend at least 5 minutes for us, so that she could speak to us for 5 minutes, because we certainly understand that she has a very busy schedule in imparting the training and carrying the responsibility of sharing her experience, at the same time her idea about preschool education. Thank you, all of you.